If you think your life is hectic, imagine what life is like for your cells. There are approximately 100 trillion cells in the human body. That's 30 times as many stars as there are in all the known galaxies. Every minute, just over 200 million cells in our body die, but each day, an adult human body creates hundreds of billions of new cells. This means that over the course of 10 years, every single cell in our body will have completely been replaced. Your current self will share no physical matter with your future self. In that same 10 years, a cell could circulate your body 5,256,000 times, each cell taking only 60 seconds for each circulation. Our blood vessels add up to 60,000 miles in length, which is long enough to wrap around the world more than 2 times. On that note, the longest cell in our body is the motor neuron cell. It's almost twice as long as the shortest man in recorded human history. Meanwhile, the largest cell in the human body is the female egg, which is visible to the human eye, while the sperm cell is the smallest cell. Speaking of reproduction, our cells make copies of themselves through something called the DNA replication cycle. As we age, this cycle becomes damaged. By age 70, our DNA replication cycle can become so damaged by daily exposure to environmental toxins and poor lifestyle that hundreds of sections of our DNA become ineffective. This makes us more susceptible to developing diseases. The good thing is, we have the power to do a few simple things to change that. Did you know that laughing improves our cells' abilities to heal themselves? That's no laughing matter. Also, for all you lovebirds out there, sexual activity increases your immunoglobulin A antibody, which fights against colds and infections. What a great excuse.